8 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Goldsboro, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Goldsboro, Walnut Creek, Seven Springs, Cliffs of the New State Park, Elroy, and Marks Mac. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties: Wayne, North Carolina;